Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with the assembly instructions for your 3D top hat project. This one's great for both men and women, and children of course, as you can decorate it according to whoever you're giving it to, whether they're into steampunk, old Victorian style, or just something a bit more flashy. The choice is yours. Let's take a look at some of the parts that you'll be cutting. So first up we have the side panels. You'll have 8 of these. And with the exception of the small strip on the bottom, all of those tabs are mountain folds. The one at the bottom there is just a valley fold. So you'll do that for all 8 of those. Then for the top of the hat, you're just cutting that shape out and applying the decorative layer as we did for the side panels. And the same for the brim. Now once you have all of those parts cut out and pre-assembled, we'll take the top of the hat and lay it face down. Take one of our side panels and apply glue to the large tab at the top. That's the widest part. I like to then fold this back on itself and introduce it to the top hat as I'm showing you here, just purely because then it helps me line up between the 2 points of the side and of course make it in line with the side of that top hat. Then you'll repeat that for the second one, and the benefit now is you've got the previous piece to help line up against. Once you've got that one in position, you'll carry on and do the remaining 6 until you have all of them stuck in place. Next up, we're going to start assembling the side panels. So I'm just folding back all of the long tabs on each side panel, and one by one I'm going to stick those to their partners. So just applying a little glue and then bringing it together and holding it in place until it's stuck. I'm using a bookbinding glue as it's quick tack. Still got a little bit of wiggle time though, just in case you need to move things around. And it's low moisture so it doesn't warp your cardstock as well. Always a bonus to help make your paper crafting projects look more professional. You'll do that for all 8 sides. Just on those long edges, you'll leave the shorter ones free at the moment. Once we've got that done, what we'll do is we'll introduce the brim face down. So turn it over and then slide it over the hat. Next, we're going to glue all of the remaining tabs. So working one panel at a time, just apply the glue to the 2 little tabs and introduce them to each other one at a time. And this will help form the slight curve that the top hat has, as you can see there. Do that for the remaining sides, and then you should have this. Looks a bit strange at the moment, but there's method in my madness. Next up we need to secure that brim in place, so we're just going to gently tease down those smaller tabs and apply glue to all 8. Once you have that done, working flat on your table is beneficial as it helps you secure those tabs down. Just work your way around, making sure that the glue has contacted on both surfaces, and if you need to, just turn it over as well and hold those tabs in place for a couple of seconds until things have fully grabbed. Once you've done that, the decoration is entirely up to you. Obviously here I have used a metallic cardstock, and of course you could cut yourself a second decorative layer of the brim in case you wanted to use these as little treat baskets. The decoration, as I say, is entirely up to you. I've just used some die cut flowers and then some random assorted embellishments to decorate. You can of course use glitter cardstock, plain cardstock, patterned cardstock, or whatever you fancy. Whatever you choose, I hope you enjoy making.